Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why won't your iPhone connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's begin by the wrong password. This is the most basic and common issue. So if you go to settings, if you go to Wi-Fi, then you can click on the three dots here and forget the network. Click on forget, like to any network that you are connected or have in the networks available, or in like remembered networks, or you can click on edit and then find no networks here and click on the eye icon, then click on the forget network. Now try reconnecting and make sure that you enter the correct password, otherwise it won't connect. You may also just have Wi-Fi turned off, so you can turn it on in the settings or by sliding down from the right top part of the screen, then finding this Wi-Fi button. If it's blue, then it's on. Now, the next thing, maybe the airplane mode is enabled. Once you slide down from the right top part of the screen, find airplane mode, and you'll basically need to disable it. Now it's enabled, now it's disabled. Even if it's disabled, then it's worth enabling it for 10 seconds, then after 10 seconds, disabling it. It will help you. Now the next thing is some router problem. So you may need to restart your router or restart your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons, then sliding to power off. After that, wait for 30 seconds and start pressing and holding on the power button until the Apple logo shows up, then release it. Now, if it still didn't help, maybe there's too many devices connected to your router, so your router may have connection limits, and you may want to disconnect some other devices. Now, it's also maybe that there's outdated iOS on your iPhone, so you may want to go to settings, then go to general software update and see if there's any update available. If there is any, then try installing it. If it still didn't help, then you may need to reset network settings. It will erase all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So go to settings, go to general, and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, then reset, and reset network settings. Now reset network settings. Wait a moment until it resets, and then reconnect to the Wi-Fi. If this didn't help, then maybe there's just some hardware problem. So you may need to seek some professional help in some authorized service, because maybe there's some faulty Wi-Fi antenna, water damage, or failing logic board. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.